Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be walking you through how to grow mango trees so you can enjoy the rewards of fresh, homegrown fruit for years to come. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right mango tree. Before we even think about planting, let's talk about choosing the right mango tree. This step is crucial because the type of tree you pick will affect how quickly you'll get fruit and how much space you'll need. First, you need to decide between a tree grown from seed and a grafted tree. Seed-grown mango trees can take anywhere from 5 to 8 years to bear fruit, and there's no guarantee the fruit will be the same quality as the parent tree. On the other hand, a grafted mango tree is your best bet if you want results sooner. Grafted trees can start producing fruit in as little as 3 to 5 years, and the fruit quality is more reliable. Next, consider the size. A full-size mango tree can grow 30 to 100 feet tall, which is way too big for most backyards. If space is limited, go with a dwarf mango variety, which can be kept around 10 to 15 feet tall and is much easier to manage. And of course, climate matters. Mango trees thrive in warm, frost-free areas. If you live somewhere that gets cold winters, you'll need to grow your mango tree in a large pot and bring it indoors during freezing temperatures. Step 2. Picking the perfect planting spot. Once you've chosen your tree, it's time to pick the right spot. Mango trees love the sun, so make sure your tree gets at least 6 to 8 hours of full sunlight every single day. The soil should be well drained. Mango trees really don't like sitting in water. Avoid planting near large buildings or other big trees that could block sunlight or compete for nutrients. And remember, these trees need space. Even dwarf varieties need room for their roots to spread and for air to circulate around the canopy. Step 3. Planting your mango tree. Now for the fun part, planting your mango tree. The best time to plant is in the spring, when the weather is warm and stable. Start by digging a hole that's about twice as wide as the root ball and the same depth. Place your tree gently in the hole, making sure the root ball sits level with the ground. Backfill the hole with the soil you removed, gently patting it down to remove air pockets. Don't add a lot of fertilizer right now. Young roots can be sensitive. A bit of compost or organic matter mixed in with the soil is plenty. Once planted, water deeply so the roots settle in. Finally, add a layer of mulch around the base of the tree, about 2 to 4 inches thick, but keep it a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. Mulch helps keep the soil moist, prevents weeds, and keeps the roots cool. Step 4. Watering the right way. When it comes to watering, mango trees are a bit picky. Young trees need frequent, deep watering, about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how hot and dry your climate is. The goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Once the tree is established, usually after the first year or so, you can cut back to watering once a week. And here's a tip. It's better to water deeply and less often than to sprinkle a little every day. This encourages the roots to grow deeper, making the tree stronger and more drought-resistant. One warning, don't overwater. Mango trees are very sensitive to waterlogged soil, which can cause root rot and kill your tree. Step 5. Feeding and fertilizing. To keep your mango tree healthy and productive, you'll need to feed it. In the first year, go easy. A light feeding every couple of months is plenty. Look for a balanced fertilizer that contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. As your tree grows, increase the feeding to 3 or 4 times a year. Once the tree matures and starts fruiting, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium and phosphorus to encourage bigger, sweeter mangoes. You can also use compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil health naturally. Just remember not to over-fertilize. Too much can cause excessive leafy growth and reduce fruit production. Step 6. Pruning for health and shape. Pruning might sound intimidating, but it's actually simple. When your mango tree is young, prune it to encourage 3 to 4 strong main branches. This creates a sturdy framework that will support fruit later on. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches and trim back growth that makes the canopy too dense. A more open shape allows sunlight and air to reach all parts of the tree, reducing disease risk and helping the fruit ripen evenly. Step 7. Protecting from pests and diseases. Like all fruit trees, mangoes have a few common pests and diseases to watch for. Some of the most common pests include aphids, mealybugs, and fruit flies. You can usually control them with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Both are beginner-friendly and safe for edible plants. As for diseases, keep an eye out for powdery mildew and anthracnose, which can damage leaves and fruit. The best prevention is good airflow, proper pruning, and avoiding overwatering. If needed, a fungicidal spray can help, but most problems can be avoided with regular care and inspection. Step 8. Patience and harvesting. Now let's talk about the part you've been waiting for, harvesting your mangoes. If you planted a grafted tree, you can expect fruit in about 3 to 5 years. If you started from seed, it may take 5 to 8 years. You'll know your mangoes are ready when the skin changes color, the fruit softens slightly when squeezed, and there's a sweet, fruity aroma near the stem. When harvesting, use clippers or gently twist the fruit to avoid damaging the branch. Handle them carefully so they don't bruise. Final tips and encouragement. So, is growing a mango tree easy? Honestly, it's a long-term project that requires some patience, but once your tree is established, it can reward you with fresh mangoes for decades. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with a dwarf grafted variety. They're easier to manage, take up less space, and give you fruit sooner. Remember, full sun, well-drained soil, regular watering while young, occasional feeding, and a little pruning are all you need to set yourself up for success. Thanks for joining us on How to Grow Mango Trees. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!